Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today let me show you how to sow seeds in a sowing tray. Okay, so this is actually the chocolate tray, chocolate mold tray. You can use this, or you can buy the sowing tray, or you can use this also, the small pots. Okay, now let us start with this. What I am going to use is, take a fine cotton cloth. Okay, now keep the cloth like this. I'll tell you why I'm using the cloth. Take only the cotton cloth. Okay, now fill this with coco peat. You can also mix sand, but do not add any manure. Now fill it like this. Now this is the Null-Coal seeds. You can see the Null-Coal seeds. Okay, now take the seeds and then cover it. Okay, this will take around 4 to 5 days to sprout. You have to just sprinkle water when the plant when the seed sprouts. When you have around 4 to 6 leaves, then you can transplant. While transplanting it, you can just lift it like this. See, this will be very easy, very easy. Otherwise, especially the newbies, what they do is they just pull the plant. When you pull the plant, you will be disturbing the roots. So this is the best way. If you don't want to use the cloth, you can use an eggshell. Take an eggshell, put it inside this, and then you can sow the seed inside the eggshell, adding the coco peat. Or just take the eggshell and directly you add it, and then directly you can replant it in the, transplant it in the bigger pot. Okay, now let me make one more. And then after this, you have to keep them in semi shades. Okay, semi shade you can keep it, and there should not be any rain or anything. So you should take care that there wouldn't be any rain. When you water, you need not water every day. Just once in 3-4 days you can just sprinkle water. Okay, now what you do is, so you will forget what you have sowed. Now take an ice cream stick or anything, write it on that what you have sowed. See, I have written as Null. Null means Null-Coal. Just put it here, so you know that these two are Null-Coal. Now in this I'll be sowing the chili. See, this chili, this is the dried chili. Okay, now follow the same procedure. Here I am putting the cloth and fill it up with the coco peat. Sand also you can mix. Okay, see, I have cut the chili. Now I am going to sow them. And now again cover it. You have to just sprinkle the water, you know, using the hand. Now one more I am going to sow. Chilies are very easy to grow. They don't need more attention. Here, now again cover them. Now I have one more stick. I'll tell you how I'm going to do it. have written it as chili and a plastic thing. Now wrap it and put a rubber band. You have to protect these from rodents, from ants and from squirrels. Many times the squirrels have come and eaten away. See here. Okay. Now I'll show you how to water it. Now take few drops. See. This will be enough for 2 days. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Press the like button and the bell button, because I'm coming up with many more gardening ideas, tips, growing tips and many things. So thank you very much. This is Indira Shah with Vela. Bye bye.